In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create rolling credits with Canva, a simple process that gives your project a polished, professional touch. Whether it's a school project, an independent film, or just a fun home video, rolling credits can really make your work stand out. And the best part, Canva makes it super easy. Let's get started. First, head over to canva.com. If you haven't already, create a free account. It'll open up tons of creative possibilities beyond just rolling credits. Once you're logged in, type rolling credits into the search bar. Canva will show you a range of templates designed specifically for rolling credits. Browse through them and pick one that matches the style or theme of your project. The right template makes the next steps much easier. After selecting your template, click Customize this template to open it in the editor. This is where the fun begins. Start by updating the text. Click on any of the text boxes to replace the placeholder names with the actual names and titles you need for your project. Make sure everyone who contributed gets properly acknowledged. It's all about giving credit where it's due. Next, let's talk visuals. If the template includes images you don't want, Canva makes swapping them effortless. Just click on the image and select Replace or add your own images by going to the Uploads tab on the left panel. Drag and drop your files into the editor, then place them where they complement the rolling credits. This is a great way to add a personal touch to your video. Once your text and visuals are ready, it's time to save your work. Click the download button in the top right corner and choose your preferred format. That's it. In just a few simple steps, you've created rolling credits that give your project a professional finish. With Canva, adding the cinematic flair is fast, fun, and totally customizable. Enjoy the process, get creative, and watch your project come alive. Happy designing!